So social media, while we cover a little bit of social media in digital content and copywriting, it's only about the content. So that's so that is just the stuff that you post on social media, but it doesn't cover things like paid media. Okay, all the advertising that you can put on social media, and it doesn't cover analytics and all of that. Hang on, let me describe this a little bit better. So we explore all aspects about what makes a really good social media campaign. All right. This course is aimed at teaching you best practice for each of the social media giants like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. But we can even focus on more niche networks or niche platforms like TikTok, SnapScan, and Pinterest. Okay. You'll learn about creating quality content for each of them, like you can also think about advertising strategies, so how to navigate the paid media in Facebook and Instagram. It can get quite complicated, and we take you through each of those steps of how to set up an advert on these platforms. We'll also teach you how to navigate each of the analytics pages for these platforms. We have a great interactive quiz for that in that module, where you get to play around in the Google Analytics demo, and we teach you how to read and how to gain insights from analytics from platforms like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, etc. And on top of that, we also teach you how to talk to different communities on your different platforms. You will have a different audience on Twitter than what you would have on Facebook, for instance. Also, how to handle a social media crisis, which is something quite pertinent in the time that we're living in.